G-class, 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 G-class. Yeah, this is insane. We're gonna do a little night shoot. Wow, wow, like painting. And it is really tall. I don't know, but I'ma get it. I'ma get it. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? I'm here at BRABUS to do another shoot. A very exciting shoot actually, and we're gonna shoot something very uber cool. Let's go inside and check it out. This place, just this place, check it out. There's G-classes, G-class, 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 G-class. This place is insane, but the big daddy, the one we're talking about, is inside. Right guys, this is it. Yeah, this is insane. I love the XLP. Probably one of my favorite BRABUS cars. Wow, in here. But yeah, we're gonna do a little night shoot here inside the workshop. I don't know, but I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. If you're new to BRABUS, BRABUS is obviously a massive Mercedes-Benz tuner in Bottrop in Germany. If you want to know more about BRABUS, go check out the little Donut Media video. Donut Media did an excellent video on the history of BRABUS. If you want to know more about that car, it's an XLP, which is, I think, stands for Extreme Long and Pickup. So it's an extremely long pickup. Basically, they take a G-Class, they lift it, give it portal axles, 800 horsepower, complete it with off-road super wide bits, and then chop off the back right here and put up a pickup bed and a cool exhaust. And there we have its more extreme brother, the Survival, with the tent on the roof. This one has the big bumper. Anyway, back to this guy. This is the Superblack, a special edition of the XLP. Basically murdered out, blacked out everything. So yeah, very exciting. Obviously this opens like that. And it's still a G-Class door, so you smash that baby shut.
The drive, the bus, the truck, the gas is stuck. I ain't the one to rely on the luck. I put in work and then he show up. I know it's faith that's in the reps. Ain't no regrets, I do too much. It ain't me if you saying I stunt.
Set up the camera for the first shot. It's basically something like this. Shooting tripod. So for this, I'm using the 5D. It's a bit more resolution than my 1DX, and it don't need much autofocus because it's stuck on a tripod anyway. This thing's gonna be fun. I'm not really that much into like painting, but I enjoy to do it occasionally. I'm pretty much all alone here, so. Wrong button.
And I stunt, he calling the place and I do what he want. This ain't a front.
You don't know this when you look at the BRABUS, but this is lit.
It's what you could do when you start to believe. Take fear and you cast it inside this shit. 100% out of me, cause you hit it all on the key, and he let it bleed. So what is you saying to me? You just insecure about the love that turned me to a beast. I take a step and I ain't turning back. He made me first cause I know that I ain't got time for no thing in the past.
So now we've turned this thing around. It's time to get out this thing and make some light.
Truth ain't no trolling. We in good hands, no folding. They say you ain't about it. Tell them that.
So the only big thing that I struggle with this car is that it is really tall and it's really high. So let's get that rear wheel.
I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I just know that I'ma get it.
Alright guys, so we put the lights back on, wrapped up this shoot. But look at this car. There we go. All black. This interior, like, if you think BRABUS is all about power, it's basically not just that. Look at this interior. Their interiors are amazing. So, but then again, it is already after 9 p.m. So I need to get cracking, wrap this up. Right guys, locked up. Got the cases right here. All prepped. This is actually traveling light. That's it for the first shoot at BRABUS. I know it's a bit chaotic. This vlog might be a bit short, but that's how it goes when you're working on the deadline. Suddenly the hours fly. The work comes first to this vlog. Don't take it personal, but it is the way it is. Also, I'm looking at a very pretty Maybach right there. Anyway, stay tuned for more. If you like this video, let me know what you think in the comments, and if you want to know anything about BRABUS or you've got any questions, also let me know. Like this video please, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in a next video because there are lots of cool adventures coming your way. See you soon. Bye bye.
I don't know, but I'ma get it. get it.